Nasser, how can somebody who's extremely new in this business get comfortable talking to sellers?
Okay, the only way you're gonna do it is by doing it. It's just do it like Nike. Okay. Now, some of you, I had a call center background, and not only did I have a call center background, I was fortunately I wasn't shy or anything like that, but I was used to talking to people in my job, so I'm gonna translate these skills and use them over here. But for those, like I was the same way. Like, man, how do I get better? Like, and somebody told me who's experienced, who's retired now, same age as me, retired now from real estate, and said, man, you just got to do it. He said that's normal what you're feeling. You just got to get out there and do it. So now we're in the digital era. The information's out there. Pull a script, okay? Pull a script. If you go to Zach, I don't know if you offer free scripts.
I got ones. I want to hear yours too.
With these scripts, right? You role play with somebody. Find an accountability partner. If you can't find anybody in your personal life, man, you have it so easy these days, bro. You have okay, let me just rewind. Back when I got started, there was 5 real estate podcasts. 2 of them was active. One of them was Flip to Freedom. That was the only wholesaling podcast, and then some more started to come around, okay? But in 2010, I would just I would keep that in my ear. The meetup groups, right? So now, fast forward now, there's 3,000 wholesaling podcasts you can choose from, literally. Okay, you got multiple Facebook groups. Every social media is a real estate person. Link up with somebody in the comments. Ask in the group, hey, somebody looking for an accountability partner so that we can practice scripts. And if that's what you have to do. But in my personal opinion, there's just going out there and doing it, man. Like what I used to do, I used to carry the script in my back pocket. So when the sellers call my Google Voice number, I can pick it up. I pull over, take my script out, and just go through the questions. All right. And, just got better with time.
Okay. I mean, my experience too, I found out too, is just the best script is yourself sometimes. Have you figured out being kind of genuine and not following a robotic script sometimes in your acquisitions?
Yes, I absolutely. Because some people, they just, they can't fake it, and there's nothing wrong with that. So just be yourself, man. That's it, man. And just go out there and relate to the seller. Okay, so and I'm gonna use this as an example. I'm not trying to get political, right? And the last election, we had Biden versus Trump, right? Yep. So let's say you walk into a seller's house. I'm gonna say me, right? And this is a true story. If I walk into a seller's house, right, and I look around and I see, Trump stuff, right? And the seller say, hey, man, who you voting for this election? Man, I'm voting for Trump. That guy's great. You know what I'm saying? If I see Biden, hey, man, I like Biden too. That's the guy I'm voting for. Build that rapport, and, if you walk into a house and a guy has a whole room dedicated to the Pittsburgh Steelers. And you had, hey, man, you like the Pittsburgh Steelers? We're in Charlotte. Did you grow up there? How did that happen? Just make conversations. Be yourself, man. So, yes, that's a great recommendation. Zach.
It's the same exact thing. It's always mirroring. I've had the same conversations with political stuff. I've always been in political shoes. I had a deal last week. I talked about the Cowboys for 2 hours, and the only thing I knew about the Cowboys had the quarterback got out, and that dude lit up. He signed the deal with me. We joked about the Cowboys. It was beautiful. I mean, I'm telling you right now, that is golden right there, guys. You've got to mirror your sellers.
You have to mirror your sellers, man. Just think about, and sometimes your sellers might have something that may be offensive to you. But remember, you're not there to be offended. You're there to get a check and do this business and get to the goal. You might do something that's offensive. You might have something that's offensive to somebody else. So it's all personal opinions. Take your feelings out of it and flush them down the toilet. And you are in the sales, marketing, and negotiation business, and you need to accept that. You're not in the business of being emotional. You're not in the business of debating the seller. You're just not into that, you know.
Yeah.
Mirror the seller, whether it be political, sports, certain clothes. You see some travel destinations. Oh, you've been to the Bahamas. I never been to the Bahamas. How was it? Oh man, did you do the cruise? Oh, okay, great. You did the cruise. All right, yeah. So just mirror the seller.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.